When I start the show, say I expect Ayo Shonaiya inside the studio this morning. Now, music producer, this one na director, na actor, plenty of na no go know in movie. King of My Country. We no still release part 2. We no see part 2 till today. After many years, he fly from skyscraper. He never still fall, reach ground. Okpura. Be so okokpura ni. Korimo.
Yo.
Yes,
yo. Thank you for having me.
I greet you. All right. And then in a man of many things, so in a lawyer, in a everything, artist manager,
including married man self. You know, so I don't listen to this program when they come.
Yes.
I pay bride price now, but my list no plenty.
Your wife na Igbo?
No, my wife na Yoruba.
Okay.
But,
then they pay bride price.
Yoruba,
I know.
They collect bride price.
But the list no plenty.
The list no plenty. Yam, small everything, and then some things from London. You know, say London and go enter.
Yes, enter.
And
so you know come. You know come as big boy.
No, no be big boy. In fact, Seth, I know the day we do introduction.
Yeah.
Me and my wife no day around. Now picture them put for on top. In fact, if you see
can you imagine?
if you see the video of my introduction, they put my picture. They put
your
my
wife's picture.
Then my wife papa come sit down with all in gold. You know, in Aimbi Baba Adini of
Isaleko,
yeah. My mama self come sit down. I come tell my wife say, if you like say na your papa they marry my mama. we just dey picture there, but you know it's all good.
Okay, but then because of time, we just need to. Then big congratulations on our artists. Them we make us shine. For Grammys, so
Abio, congratulations to everybody.
Congratulations.
This Bonner and Wizkid win.
Yeah.
Now all of us now win.
Yes.
Now all of us from the beginning to now.
Yeah.
All them Kenny and D won them.
Big shout out.
Obi Asika.
Yes.
All them Jimmy Jatt. Everybody we start this industry, we contribute from everybody where they do landmark.
Yes.
Everybody, now all of us.
Okay.
But now I get them, but now all of us.
Yes. No, himself no. Even from in papa to everybody.
In papa, in
grandpapa,
in
mama, everybody. Okay, but then before I know say you do one documentary on Afrobeat.
Yes.
And this is not the best time to actually drop this documentary.
Afrobeats, the documentary, and I'm here with Saz on the beat. Saz on all the beats. Saz on the Afro beats.
There was nothing like Remedies. There was nothing like Idris. There was nothing like Kennis.
Tribesmen, Remedies, Paul Play, and Plantation Boys.
I would first mention Remedies.
98, 99. We started to see a change in the music.
1999 was the year.
Oh yeah.
Sweet one comes sweet life.
In fact, now last year I supposed to drop.
Yes.
But because of COVID and everything, you know, but this is the right time.
Yes.
I mean, imagine we just put the promo out on 2 days ago.
Yes.
We Bona win Grammy. So
yes.
God's time is the best.
Yes. And then
now our documentary. Now you have day inside now.
Yes, so I did inside the documentary.
But you know one call her Afro beats. You just call her Afro fusion. Which one be Afro fusion?
But then this whole thing can be Afrobeat. And Afrobeat now can carry Bona and then win waiting he win. So
Thank you.
But then my question when I just want to ask you be say you be like so you both people won't come collect this Afrobeat from us. Because does it mean say Nigerian producers no fit produce songs we go fit win the Grammy Awards? Because this one Oyibo influence plenty for this Burna song.
But hold on. You know say Nigerian producers they inside.
Yes, I know.
But they mix everything together.
Yes.
To present what is how have you speak the Oyibo self winnable.
Yes.
Grammy winnable album. And I think that's what they did.
Yes.
You understand? They deliver a Grammy winnable album and the album win. Right up to executive producer will be P. Diddy.
Yes.
You understand? Right up to the technicalities. Right up to inclusion of people like Yoson Do. We don't win
Grammy before.
People where they know, where they recognize their voice. You know, so it be like say this album not towards Grammy.
Now they aim am for in talk so for one of in interview where somebody tell and say how him feel
for Twitter.
yes say he no win in can talk say yes say this woman talk to them on certain things to do to fit take win yes and he go work towards them
And that's what he did.
Because
that woman Angela Kidjo don't win her how many times now? 4 times, 5 times.
Yes.
So if somebody will don't win Grammy 4 times, 5 times back to back, tell you say this are the things what you're supposed to do. And you do them. That's the formula.
But our boys they crazy, so our boys sabi work. Our boys.
I know. Let me tell you one story. When we used to it's the same thing with this documentary. Back when we used to take all them Idris Abdul Karim CD, Tony Tetula CD, Trisman CD, they take Go America that time.
Yeah.
When we give them the CD back in the CD days, they will say this CD is not radio ready for America, which means the technicality no day as the level.
Yeah.
You understand? That is where we're supposed to be now. For Nigerian producers, African producers, make sure the technical part of your production, they reach that level. Because that's the Grammy level.
That's the Grammy level.
That's the Grammy level. Technicality, they just like the Oscars. Technicality, they there. You understand? How your screen resolution, 4K, whatever, you must make sure you incorporate everything.
You must make sure say incorporate everything. Now the documentary where we do so, the documentary on
Afrobeats, that's what it's called. Afrobeats, the backstory.
Afrobeats, the backstory.
Yeah, it's not the story, it's the backstory, which means the beginning, the genesis, everything.
The genesis.
That is what it do over a 20-year period.
Wow.
From like 1999, where everything just germinates.
I remember when you get one of the videos them you use them inside when you and DJ Abbas come here, Cool FM.
Cool FM since
nearly 20.
No. This is 2005.
2005.
Yeah, that's 16 years ago.
16 years ago. Now come interview here for Cool FM that year too.
Yes.
So yes,
they're everywhere now.
Yes. So but then how the thing done ready now? You don't find
it done ready.
Sweet one come sweet like Fanta. Bad B come bad like Rihanna. Take notes if you wanna be my lover. Grinders that tryna make money with my brothers. Sweet one come sweet like Fanta. Bad B come bad like Rihanna. Take notes if you wanna be my lover. Grinders that tryna make money with my brothers.
We don't cook that soup, everything done ready. Now to serve them now, April 2nd at the Lekki Cinemas IMAX.
Okay,
April
IMAX.
2nd, that's the premiere. But it's a 9-episode documentary, so we're only showing the first 2 episodes, and then the rest will be on streaming platforms.
On streaming platforms,
yes. And I have to give, because to make this kind of documentary, the talks are the travel.
Yeah, because I won't go say because to the money where you spend.
I spend my money, and I have to thank my sponsors, Boomplay and Techno.
Okay.
Boomplay now. Boomplay.
Yes. Everybody they download.
And then Techno with the phone exactly.
Yes.
Boomplay the day on top. Techno phone,
yes.
Number 1 streaming service in Africa. They support, apart from them being a streaming platform, they also support projects like mine. You understand? They will support artist release, they will support everything. So I have to thank them for their support. Because say I'll be ambassador or anything, no, but Boomplay Techno, they support me well. And they're the ones supporting this
the premiere
as well.
Okay, the premiere they happen for
April 2nd. April 2nd.
I go get tickets to give few of my people.
But say this COVID.
Okay, so now restricted.
It has to be 50 capacity, but
No, I must give people where they listen invites.
We are doing 3 screens. We're doing the IMAX screen. We're doing another regular screen, and they're doing VIP. So now VIP go there.
Now
Steve Ioni there. Steve Ioni then are the captain of the VIP area.
Okay.
So you go there with KJV.
Yeah, KJV
and all of them people.
Yes,
so I'll put you for VIP.
Yeah, we have small boys now.
We will go there IMAX with them Techno and Boomplay people. So,
okay. But then the whole story, everything come out well, and then the response.
Everything. The response as we done the show people small.
Yeah.
We go do audience tests and everything. So the response has been great.
Okay.
The response has been great. Even with people who are Film One. Film One is my partner.
Yes.
So Film One people, they don't watch and they say, this documentary na helele.
Yes, so because you go deep, you get footages, you get everything.
That is the most important part.
Yeah.
Since I start my music career, say me, I went to film school before I went to law school.
Yeah.
After law school, I was doing documentary with Wasiu Ayinde 1999.
Yes. I know.
So you can invite me, make I become a
Manager.
So I don't know, say, as I dey do this manager, I go to record. So from that 1999, I dey record everything. Imagine say I dey record from 1999 up until 2019. So imagine all the people who I don't work with. After that,
LD,
The Band, Don Jazzy, Dr. Seed, everybody they there. Wow. So all my recording, now I just put for 9 episodes right now. So it's going to be great. April 2nd is the
April 2nd.
Then it goes on streaming platforms.
Then you go there on all streaming platforms. So thank you so much, bro. Say you come, and then we go there. Then you go also follow I'm on top in Instagram page.
My Instagram, I don't get nickname.
Yeah, Ayo Shonaiya.
Ayo Shonaiya, AYOSHONAIYA. Now the same for Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I don't get nickname. I don't get nickname like yo.
So we're gonna check them out. If you want to find out more information about these particular Afrobeats where we talk about, you go see them there. And then every other thing. Then when the things start to stream, you go also know where you go see and watch. And then the documentary deep well everybody where if you think of they on top this documentary.
Everybody.
Bad B come bad Laviana. Take notes if you wanna be my lover. Grinders that tryna make money with my brothers.
I want to fuse Afrobeats and hip hop.
The last sound and rap. My music was very hard.
Tabanshere, One Man Berry, Big Brothers. Yoruba sounds good.
My mom and my dad speak that to me.
And then Soji will be doing boss okay.
Waiting Babele won't make ya.
And that's all people wanted me to sing. Just sing Ebute Meta and go.
Okay, Tiwa, sexy. How?
Most of us suffered with our artists. We started their careers from when they were hustling.
Marlian is a true fan of Naira Marley.
When I first heard the term Afrobeats, it sounded perfect for me.
You can't say Afrobeats without saying Afrobeats.
Not all music in Africa is Afrobeat.
Thank you so much, bro. Say you come. Yo. Yes, so and then I wish you all the best. Second, we go see. Definitely we go see. On top of this matter.